methods ఉన్నాయి సెటర్ మెథడ్స్ గెటర్ మెథడ్స్ ఏదైనా మెథడ్స్ ద్వారా సెటర్ మెథడ్ సెట్ చేస్తావు గెటర్ మెథడ్ ద్వారా రిట్రీవ్ చేస్తావు వాల్యూ ఇందాక రాసావు అలాగే
Guys, good morning, all of you guys. Last session we started about, I give the summary, what are the aspects which we discussed in the last session. So last session we discussed about, I would say, last session we discussed about some reservoirs, and we discussed about comments, what are the comments available in Java, and we discussed about, I would say, comments. There are three types of comments we discussed, and those three comments are, I would say, single line comment and multi-line comment, document comment. Okay, document comment. There are three comments available in the Java: single line comment, multi-line comment, and document comment. And after that, we discussed about how to read data from the keyboard. After that, we discussed about how to read the data from the keyboard. There are three ways to read the data from the keyboard, and that is like first one is the scanner class. There are three ways to read the data from the keyboard. First one is the scanner class, and second one is the buffered reader buffered reader, and third one is command line arguments. Third one is command line arguments. Okay, there are three ways to read the data: scanner class, buffered reader, and command line arguments. And in the last session we done with 2-3 programs using scanner class, how we can take the data and how we can do the operations and all. Okay, so this buffer reader we will discuss at the time of conditional statements. This we will discuss at the time of conditional statements conditional statements, and this we will discuss at the time of conditional statements only. Conditional statements. Okay, let us today we'll go ahead with the operators. So in Java, what is the purpose of operators? Operators are the symbols. I can say operators are the symbols. Operators are the symbols which will tell to the compiler, which will tell to the compiler tell to the compiler to perform some operations, to perform some operations. Are you guys clear with my statement? Operators are the symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform some operation, to perform some operation, to perform some operation. In Java, we have some rich set of operators. In Java, we have some rich set of operators. Some rich set of operators. Operators. Those are like, I would say, assignment operators. I would say arithmetic operators, and next one is assignment operators, and third one is relational operators. Relational operators also called as comparison operators, and after that where we have arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational comparison operators, and where we have logical operators, and after the logical operators we have the ternary operators and unary operators. Ternary operator, unary operators, unary operators, and unary operators, and after the logical operators we have the ternary operators, ternary operator, and unary operators, and after the logical operators we have the ternary operators, ternary operators, and unary operators. Ternary operators, ternary operators, and unary operators. and sixth one is, I would say, unary operators, and next I would say new operator, and the next one is the dot operator. Next one is the dot operator. Dot operator. These are the operators which are available in Java. What are the operators? Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operators, and ternary operator, unary operator, new operator, and dot operator. Are you guys clear with my statements? So let us go ahead with the first one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators, all the operators main purpose is operators are the symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations. So arithmetic operators definition is also same. Arithmetic operators are the symbols. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are the symbols. Operators are the symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations. To perform some operations, okay, is called arithmetic operators. What are the symbols we have in Java? The symbols we have basically plus operator, and minus operator, and multiplication, and division, and modulus. These are the symbols which comes under the category of arithmetic operators. These are the symbols which comes under the category of arithmetic operators. Are you guys clear with my statements? Okay. So these are the symbols: plus symbol, minus symbol, multiplication, division, and modulus. So these are all the symbols already you know, like addition, and subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So only you want to know the difference between division and modulus. At what time we'll go with the division, at what time we'll go with the modulus. That I will clearly I will show you with one example. You will get the better clarity on it. For example, there is a number 2 and I am doing division, like I would say 10. 2 fives, how much? 2 fives, 10. You will get the 0. So when you use the modulus operator, it will always, it can fetch the 0 as the output. When you use the division, you will get the quotient as the output. This is the difference you should be understand. Are you guys clear with my statements? I will tell you one more other example. For example, there is a 10 and I want to divide 100 value. 100. Okay. 10 tens how much? 100. Here I am taking 10 and this is the 10 divided by 0. So when I use the modulus operator, then it will fetch the 0 as the output. And when I use the division operator, then it will fetch the this is the quotient. Quotient as the result. This is clear or not? Plus is the symbol which is used to addition, and minus is the symbol which is used to subtraction, and this is the multiplication which is used to multiply the number. And these symbols already you know from childhood onwards we are doing the like addition, subtraction, multiplication. So these all the symbols already we know. Only we need to understand the difference between modulus and division. Modulus meaning it will always fetch the remainder, and in case of division always it will fetch the quotient. always it will fetch the quotient. Are you guys clear with my statements? So based on the arithmetic operators, I can write one program and then I will show you. You will get the better clarity on it. This is clear or not? These symbols, these three symbols already you know, guys. Plus symbol, you know, minus symbol, you know, multiplication symbol, you know. Division also you know, but you want to know the difference between division and modulus. Okay, if any number we can divide it by with any other number, so in that case reminder, when you use the modulus you will get the remainder as the result. When you use the division, then you will get the quotient as the result. That I will show you programmatically. You will get the better understanding on it. Okay, where I can take one Java program. I'm going to here actually I want to create one file, Java file. So simply I'm taking a new, and then I would like to take the text file, and then I can mention the name is operators, guys. The class name is, I would like to mention operators.java. Okay, very good. And I'm opening operators.java, and here the class name is public class operators. Okay, operators. Okay, fine. And this is the scope of class operators class, and I'm taking main method, public static void main method, void main, and I can say string aux from here to here. This is the scope of the main method. This is the scope of the main method. Now we are discussing about which one, arithmetic operators. So for clarity purpose, I will arithmetic operators. I'm taking the symbols here, plus symbol and minus symbol, and I would say multiplication symbol, multiplication, next division, division and modulus. These are the symbols. I can write a program and then I will show you. Int a equal to, I'm taking some 10 value, and int b equal to, I'm taking the value is 20. Value is the 20. Okay, so if I take like this, like int c equal to a plus b, then can I able to write like this? Can I able to write like this or not? Yes, we can write, right?
Yes.
We can write. So what is happening basically? 10 value I am storing a variable, and 20 value I am storing in b variable. Again, this is holding the value is 10, and this is the value which is holding the value is 20. 10 plus 20 how much? 10 plus 20, 30. Now C is holding the value 30. Are you guys clear with my statements? 30. Now I can take system.out.println, out dot, I can say println C. Now I can get the value 30. This is the one way to write the program. And instead of writing two lines, you can directly write in single line as well. Like directly in the SOP statement, directly you can mention A plus B. A plus B. Instead of writing two lines, you can directly can write in single line as well. This is clear or not? I'm assigning the value, I'm doing the addition. That's it. I'm assigning the value, I'm doing the addition. That's it. Okay. So string plus concatenation is called string plus variable is called concatenation. So here I am mentioning the addition of two values is, I am mentioning like this. So this is with respect to addition. Now the same statement I am copying from here, and then again I am going to here, and here I am doing subtraction. Subtraction, instead of the variable name, you can take any value also. Like I would like to take 5. So in this case, what will be the result? How much the value will be the result? Result value is 30.
30.
Next here
5.
5. Okay. Next, the same statement I am copying. Already I copied, right? So here I want to do multiplication into 2. In this case, how much the result is? 20. Okay,
20.
this is clear. Addition is clear, subtraction is clear, and multiplication is clear. Now we'll try to understand division and modulus. So the same statement I am copying here, and a divided by 2. In this case, you will get the result as the 5. Okay, and next here also I would like to mention some modulus by 2. In this case, you will get the result as 0. Here I will do the subtraction, and this is the multiplication. This is the multiplication, and this is the division, and this is modulus. Guys, this is clear or not? If it is not clear, could you please tell me? I can repeat once again. Okay. So the same file, I will go to wherever file is available. You can go to that file location. Open command prompt, java c operators.java, operators.java. File has successfully compiled java and operators. Now you can see here the addition of two numbers is 30, and the subtraction of two values is 5. The multiplication of two values is 20, and the division of two values is 5. Next, the modulus of two values is 0. The modulus of two values is 0. This is clear or not?
Yes.
These symbols already you know. Okay, daily we are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication. These three symbols already you know. Only in this case, you should focus on division and modulus. When I go with the modulus, what the value we will get, and when we will go with the modulus and what the value we will get. Only the difference you know. Then the operators are easy. Okay. This is with respect to arithmetic operators. Okay, fine, very good. This is one set of operator. Now I am going with the another set of operators, guys. Another set of operators is assignment operators. Assignment operators. In the assignment operators, we have the symbols. The same symbols, guys. The same symbols. Simply I am adding the equals, which I would say plus equals plus, and equals minus, and equals multiplication, equals division, and equals modulus. That's it. That's it. Assignment operators, we have arithmetic operators, symbols we have total 5, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus. So assignment operators also, we have the total 5, plus equals plus, equals minus, equals multiplication, and equals division, and equals modulus, and equals modulus. Are you guys clear with my statements? Assignment operators, at what time we'll go with the assignment operators? Actually, I will tell you here small example. In the child days, you know kiddie bank, kiddie bank, you know, kiddie bank, you know, kiddie bank. You can assume, let us like your parents are giving some amount to you. For example, you have the kiddie bank, and the kiddie bank name is, I would say, your name is some Raju. Okay, you have the kiddie bank. This is the kiddie bank. So daily your parents are giving amount to you. This kiddie bank name is some X. You can give any name. So in my case I am giving the kiddie bank name is the X. Okay. Daily your parents are giving amount to you. Like first day your parents are giving 100 rupees. So your parents are giving 100 rupees to you. So what you will do, that 100 rupees you will keep inside the kiddie bank. This is the first day scenario. And the second day scenario, again your parents give you, your parents will give 50 rupees. 50 rupees also you are storing in the same. So already it is holding the 100. Again you are trying to add one more value, 50. Now how much it is having? 150. And third day also your parents again they give 100 rupees. Already it is holding the value 150. 150 plus 100 how much? 250. Meaning variable is the same variable we are performing multiple operations, meaning variable is the same, we are adding the values, we are retrieving the values, we are adding the values, we are removing the values, we are adding the values, we are removing the values. Are you guys clear with my statements? There is a kiddie bank and your parents are daily giving amount to you. That amount you are saving in your kiddie bank. Okay. So initial day, first day, your parents will give 100 rupees. That 100 rupees you will be stored in the kiddie bank. Second day they give 50. That also you stored in that kiddie bank, and third day also. So like that, if you want to do programmatically, how you can do, like with respect to kiddie bank scenario. Kiddie bank scenario. So this is with respect to addition. And for example, if you want to remove like 20 rupees from that kiddie bank, that also can remove. For example, now this is totally it is having 350 rupees. Now the X variable having the total amount is 350 rupees. From that 350 rupees, you want to remove 50 rupees. Then we will use the equals minus operator. With the help of equals minus operator, you can remove the 50. Then how much the value it can contain? 300. 300. These 300 amount you want to multiply. If you want to multiply this 300 amount, then multiplication equal to multiplication with some number. For example, I am mentioning some 300 into 2, it will be become 600. 600. With respect to division and modulus is also same. I would say if you go with them, it will fetch the quotient and it will fetch the remainder. With respect to assignment operators also same. Assignment operators also same. Are you guys clear with my statements? I will write a program and then I will show you, will get the better clarity on it. So here I am taking the value is int x equal to int x. Okay, int is the data type, x is the variable. Int is the data type, x is the variable. Now I want to assign the value. I want to assign the value. If I want to assign the value, x equal to plus, I want to assign the value 10. Now how much if I would like to print the system.out.println, and here I would like to mention the value of x. The value of x is I'm saving this one. I would go to here assignment operators. Yes, you can come here, compile the file. File has successfully compiled. You can see here the value of x is 10. Okay, so the first day your parents give 100 rupees, and the second day your parents again give some 200 rupees. Now what will be the value in this case? Now what will be the value? How much the value? 100. Next here,
300.
how much? 300. Next, this is with respect to addition. Now I want to remove from the same variable. So in that case, x equal to minus 50. So in that, so what happens internally? That is the internal process. The internal process is, I will tell you here. So there is a concepts. Yeah, there is a concept. What happens internally? X equal to x plus 100. This is the process happens internally. Okay. So the normally we will do the addition like this, right? This is the normal approach. But when you write like this, internally it will happens like this. X is holding the value and which is not holding any value. So for that same variable, we are adding the value. We are adding the value that value will be stored in this variable name. In this variable name. This is with respect to addition. Now I will do with respect to subtraction. I'm copying the statement and I am pasting here, and here I could mention how much the value here. 250 is the value. This is with respect to subtraction. Now we'll try to understand with respect to multiplication. So here I could mention into 2, and now how much the value? You will get the value as 500.
500.
Next, there is a modulus, right? 500 divided by 2. You will get the value as 250 is 500, right? You will get the 250. And modulus, you will get the value as 0. I'm saving this one, and then there are 3 errors which are coming.
Change the symbol and double quotes.
Yes, yes, yes. This is the multiplication, and this is the subtraction, and this is the addition. $250, we are removing the value from here, and we are doing the addition. So the kitty bank is having the value that is 250, and 250 into 2. 250 into 2. How much? You will get the value as, so this we can remove. You can save this one. Now you can go here and then you can compile the file, and then you can see Java C operator.java. One error is coming. This also can remove. Save, and we can come here. Java C operator dot Java, Java operators 100, 200, the value which is holding the value 100 and okay, so here we can pass some value. We can pass some value 100 I am passing. Now in that case, apply this one Java operators, Java C operators dot Java and Java operators and the value of 100 and 200 and 50 and 50. You can save the file. We'll get the 200 and here also we will get the 300. Now we'll see Java C operator dot Java, Java operators 100 and 250. X is the value, it is holding the value is 100 and the same X variable I am assigning the value 100. I am assigning the value 100. Now it will become Java C operators dot Java and operators dot Java. X is 100 and Y is 200. From here, X equal to 100. I am assigning the value in this
I
area.
think we need to give x is equal to plus 200, right? In the before only system dot out dot in. After that, we need to give system dot out dot print. This one actually, it's after 200 we need to give one. Yeah, this one is correct.
Save the file.
After
Java C operator dot Java. Java 100, 100 and 200. This is 100.
after 100 we need to give x is equals to plus 200. Then system dot out dot println is x, right?
X is holding the value 100 and
Yeah.
this X variable
After
already holding the value 100
100.
and for that the same value we are adding. So here we will get the value as 100 and 200 and also result also 100, 100. This is first value and here it will get a second value 200. It is holding the value 100. For that value I am assigning the value some other value 80 and I am saving this one and you will get the value as 180. That will see 1 second that consonant operators. Yeah. So here the thing is, the symbol should be left side symbol and right side equal. Okay, that is the thing. So in first case, actually, taken the first is the equals and after is the symbol. Here also can change to plus equals and minus equals, like that. Plus equals, and here also minus equals. Minus, this is also minus, and this is also multiplication, and this is the division also. This is the division. This is the division. Okay. Plus equals, the symbols should be the first, and after the symbols you will give the equals. You will give the equals. Okay. 100 equal to x equal to 100. X equal to 100, and x is already holding the value 100, and I am trying to print the same value. So for that, x is already holding the value 100. For the same variable, I am adding the value 80, and 100 plus 80 how much? 180. 180, and now which is holding the value 180. For that 180 again I am adding the 200. Now how much the value will be? 380. 380. From the 380, I am removing the value from the 380. So finally, I will get the value as 350. 350 is the value. Okay, so this I can 330. 330. 330. I am saving the file and go to here. You can compile the file and you can run the file. Java C operators.java and Java operators. You can see here whatever the values we are expecting, the same values it is printing or not. It is printing or not? Yes. Okay. Now, where actually, yeah, this is with respect to subtraction, and we'll try to understand with respect to multiplication. Control C, and where I can give the multiplication symbol, and multiplication actually I'm giving 2. Then how much is the value? 330 into 2, 660. 660. Okay. Next, division and modulus. Division and modulus also do the same. Like division by 2. How much value we will get? How much value we will get? 330 only. 660 divided by 2, 330. And we will get the result as the quotient is So in this case, the remainder will get some in case of points. So that we'll see. Okay. Normally this is the concept. I'm saving this one, and I can go to here, and then I can run the file java c operators.java, and this is the double line. This is the command, right? That you can mention as the double line. Double line. Okay. I'm saving the file. Coming to here, and then can run the file, and then can run the file. Java. You can see here. Are you guys clear with my statement or not? 100, 180, and again I am adding 200, 380. From the 380, I am removing the 50. I 330, and into 2 I am doing, and 60 divided by division. 330 divided modulus by modulus, meaning always it will fetch the remainder as the 0. Always it will fetch the remainder as 0. This is clear or not? So you can assume assignment operators, meaning you can assume as a kitty bank. In the kitty bank, like you will able to add the value amount, and you can able to remove the amount, right? So the same scenario, how you can write the programmatically? You can write the programmatically by using assignment operators. By using assignment operators. Okay. And after the assignment operators, we have the concept that is the relational operators. Relational operators. Relational also called as comparison operators. Comparison operators. In the here we have the symbols are like, I would say, less than, or equals to, and greater than or equals to. Okay, these are the symbols which will be having. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are the symbols, and double equals to. Are you guys clear with my statements? We have the relational or comparison operators, which are actually the symbols are this one: less than or equal to, greater than equal to, greater than or equal to. Relational or comparison operators, which are also symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations. Here I will write a few of the programs, and then I will show you. Int I would like to take some p equal to, the value is some 10, and int q equal to, the value is some 20. Now you guys tell me, always relational values it will return the, so the same statement I can copy here, where actually relational operators, and then I'm coming here. Relational operators are the symbols. This one, the purpose of relational operators. Here also can mention relational operators are the symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations. Also here one more point if you can remember here. Relational operators always return the Boolean values. Relational operators always return the Boolean values. Boolean values, meaning either true or false. Boolean values means either true or false. Okay, Boolean values means either true or false. Okay, fine. Now where I can go here, and then now boolean result equal to a, I would say q less than q. Now you guys tell me the answer. P is holding the value 10. P is holding the value how much? 10. 10 less than 20. This is true or not? This is true. This is true or not? True only, right? Then you will get the result as the true. And so for that we will take the sysout statement system dot out dot, I can say println. Here I can mention result. Then I will get the value as true. I will get the value as true. Now the same scenario we'll try with the, all other symbols. All other symbols. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. And here also I can take p less than or equal to 9. What will be the result? What will be the result, guys? It is holding the value 10. 9. What will be the value is false. Next up, I would like to take system dot out dot println, and here also I can take with respect to greater than, p greater than or greater than 5. In this case, true. And next one is system dot out dot println, p greater than or equal to 2. In this case, this is also true. Next one is double equals to. So system dot out dot println out dot println p, I would say p double equal to 10. This is also true. I'm saving this one, and then I can go to here. I can compile the one. Compile the file. You can run the file. So see, true, true, false, true, 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 true. Okay, this is with respect to relational operators. After the relational operators, I have the logical statements. Logical operators. Logical operators, there are only 3 symbols: and operator, and not operator, and this is or operator and not operator. This is the not operator. So logical operators also, I can say logical operators also are the symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations. There are 3 set of operators, and next point is logical operators will return the boolean values. Boolean values means either true or false. Boolean values means either true or false. So in the 10th we have the truth table, right? MS Paint. In 10th we have the truth table. true. The truth table is true. This is the symbol is and symbol. In the 10th class, we have the symbols are like, I would say, yeah, and symbol. This is the end. The end symbol is this one. Okay, there is a truth table. True, true. It will become true only. Okay. Next to true, false. True, false also false. Next false, true. False, true also false.
False.
Next false, false,
False.
false. This is with respect to and. Meaning like whenever we are logging with the Amazon, Flipkart, if we'll ask like username and password, right? If the username and password only correct, then only we can able to log in successfully. So among those two, any one is wrong credential, then it won't be able to log in successfully. So at that case, we will use the logical operators, and this is the false. This is the false. Next this is with respect to AND operator. Now we'll try to understand with respect to OR operator. OR operator. So here I'm taking OR. The symbol is this one, OR operator, and true, true, it will become true, and true, false,
True.
true, false also true. Next false,
False.
true, false, true,
True.
false only. Next false, false, false. This is the truth table which we will be having at the class, right?
So false. True. True.
True, true. This one is also true.
Yes. Yes.
This is also true. And finally, you will get this is the false. Okay, so this is the general example is if you want to log in the Amazon Prime and Netflix and all, if you have the login mail also, you can be able to log in successful, and through the email also you can able to log in successful. Meaning, if you have any one of them, then you can able to log in successful. Okay, you can able to log in successful. This is the AND operator. This is the OR operator. This is the OR operator. Okay, I will write few of the programs on logical operators. You will get the clarity on it. Okay. So now where actually I'm going to logical operators. Logical operators. The symbols are, I would say, these are the three symbols. I'm copying this one, and these logical operators also they will give the boolean values as the output. Now here actually int m equal to I'm taking 1, and int n equal to I'm taking 2, and here I'm taking boolean uh, final result equal to here I'm taking m, I can say greater than n, and operator, and m n or else n greater than 1. So in this case, you guys tell me what will be the result. So we'll try to debug. We'll try to understand internal functionality. M is holding the value how much? 1. 1 greater than 2. 1 greater than 2. This is true
True.
or false?
True.
This is the false. This is the false. Okay, fine, very good. Next, come to here. N is holding the value 2. 2 greater than 1. 2 greater than 1. True. This is the true and this is the false. With respect to AND operator, true, false, true is the false only. So here we will get the value as the false. Here we will get the value as false, guys. Okay. Here we will get the value as false. Okay, false. Very good. Next one. This I can take one sysau statement system dot out dot println, and here also actually I can take the final result equal to, we will get the value as false. Okay, fine, very good. Next again I am taking boolean is the data type. Final 2 equal to, here also again I am taking I would say two numbers I am taking 10, 100 greater than 200, and operator or operator, and 500 less than 1000. So in this case what will be the result? System dot out dot println. Guys, in this case what will be the result? 100 greater than 200. This is true or false? This is
False.
false. And 500 less than 100.
False.
If both are false, then
It will be the false.
value also will be the false. Value also will be the false. Next we have the system dot out, not meaning opposite. System dot out dot println not true meaning it will result, it will give as the false, not true. It will give the result as the false. If I give the not false meaning, it will give the result as the true. This is with respect to logical statements. Opposite. I'm saving this one and I will go to here. See here. False, false, true. Okay. This is with respect to logical operators. This is with respect to logical operators. So what are the operators we done today? Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Can you guys, can you please read what is the operators? Operators are the symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations. Next, in Java we have some set of operators. What are the operators we have? Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, ternary operators, unary operator, new operator, and dot operator. Next, what does it mean by arithmetic operators? What are the symbols we have?
Plus,
Plus, minus,
minus.
multiplication, division, mod. And With respect to relational operators, what are the symbols we have?
Less than or equal to, greater than, equal to, equal to.
With respect to logical operators, what are the symbols we have? And operator or operator. So these assignments you can do the guys and then you can upload in the subject. So that's it today. I'm winding this in. We'll meet you on tomorrow.